Okay, so if we come across to you on here, yeah.
I'm quite open to mathematics, and what helps me a lot is if I see like there are certain numbers that appear often everywhere, like in the human body, in the plants, in the flowers, in the
Yeah, so
trees.
which one in particular?
The Fibonacci sequence.
Okay, so the Fibonacci sequence, which is?
1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8.
Can you see what's happening for the people who've never heard? You're adding those two and creating the next one. Adding those two, creating the next one. Adding those two, creating the next one. Can you see that? That's the sequence that he's talking about. Yep. So go on.
Yeah, and it's fascinating that you can see these numbers and the ratio between the numbers, like.
And the ratio is?
It's 1.61803. I don't know.
Whatever it is. Yeah, it goes on forever, doesn't it? It's one of those infinite numbers. Yeah, but let's.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's like in the human body, in the plants, in the solar system. Why is it that way?
Like it wouldn't make for something to just spontaneously come about. You'd think that it'd be such a mixture of different options and permutations that you wouldn't be able to ever trace something that's unique to everything. But here we've got like a sequence, a mathematical number sequence that appears everywhere in the body. So illustration of where it is in the body.
It's like
you come and stand up here with me at the front, so everyone can see you. Otherwise, the people at the front have to turn around. So the relationship between, if we look at your height, where is the 1.618?
It's 0. It's
belly button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the ratio.
So that part is 1, and that's 0.618 of the total height. Yeah. Face, right? Total height of your face, that is 1, and that's 0.618. Right, total length of your arm. All right, if we go
that way. Yep.
Put an arm out from shoulder to there, that's 1, that's 0.618 of the total length. From there to there, 1.618 of the total length. Right? Now, why do all of us have that in our body? And then what you're saying is, why does a pine cone have it?
Yeah.
Because a pine cone has the same ratio in terms of how many turns there is. On one
Spirals.
side there's 13, and on one side there's 8, there's one side there's 13. Pineapple has 13 and 21. So why is this?
I saw recently footage of a whale doing circles in the ocean to that same ratio.
To that ratio. Yeah. He's swimming in the same ratio. Yeah.
And there's another thing which struck me, like it's with those 3 numbers.
Yep.
It's like you have 1, then it's 2, and this one is like.
Oh, so he's saying 1 between your knuckles. Yep.
Yeah.
1, and then 3.
Yep. And it's just.
That's right. In the ratio of like. So what are you saying with your knuckles? That's 1. That's 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2,
then
3. Yeah.
So it's in your face.
In your face.
It's in your face. Yeah. Yeah. Where your mouth is and everything from the top, everything. Yeah. And it's actually well known, isn't it? That in art it's well known because they put it like when you're teaching you how to draw a human, they teach you the sequence of numbers, the natural number. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's basic.
Yeah, so anybody can understand it because it's very simple to understand, and yet there it is everywhere, even in the spirals of galaxies. Yeah. So, yep, good.
Really nice.
Yeah, pretty amazing. So when you look at all of that, so this is a part of the physical evidence, isn't it? So we've seen physical evidence that there is intelligence behind these things. That's what I'm saying.